Welcome and thank you for taking the first step in learning more about what it means to start your very own Jani King franchise. I hope you will take a minute and complete the form you see on the page so we can get in touch with you and schedule a time to meet you face to face. This meeting is typically an hour and a half and held at our local regional office located in your city. During this meeting, you will learn about all facets of the Jani King franchise, what it costs to begin, what training is involved, our local support, costs associated with running the franchise, and even a list of existing local franchisees you can call and ask additional questions. Once you've received our business plan and decide to move forward, we will help you set up your business. On the day of your purchase, we will schedule you for the training and certification classes. In this training, you will learn everything you need to know about how to run a successful commercial cleaning franchise. When the classes are complete, you will become an authorized Jani King franchisee, and our local staff will begin working with you to help you build your business. I've often said that if you ever thought or dreamed of being your own boss, the very least you should do is invest an hour and a half of your time to see if this opportunity is right for you. I hope you'll take the time to fill out the questionnaire on this page and take the next step towards financial freedom.